working to meet federal guidelines to make all of Norman a quiet zone by making rail crossings safer for both pedestrians and drivers. These new medians have been put in place so that drivers don't go through the crossing gates. Bill Dahlke says he's lived near a railroad crossing for 40 years, and he welcomes the changes.
There's, I don't know how many, 20 trains a day.
City of Norman Public Works Director Sean O'Leary says the city understands that there is concern after several fatal pedestrian accidents.
No one wants to give up any safety. It's really a balancing of the benefits.
Part of the project is putting up safety fences in heavy pedestrian areas. Trains would only be allowed to sound their horns if there is a hazard on the tracks. Once the city completes the installation next week, then the Federal Railroad Administration and BNSF Railroad would have 30 days to inspect the changes.
It's exciting for us that we might actually get there.
O'Leary says the city expects to find out in February if the trains will be silenced. In Norman, Kelsey Powell, KOCO 5 News.